Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video, I'm going to talk about some technology trends that are really going to be here. Now, a lot of us may have, if we are old school, we're used to doing things the old-fashioned way, which is fine, but you want to infuse because there are a lot of millennials that are coming along. And I know that I have a lot of younger generations that are very interested in doing the cleaning industry. So you may have some of your children or your grandchildren that may be looking to take over your business if you've been doing this for a while. You always want to update. Remember Blockbuster? What? You don't? Of course, because they're gone. And one of the reasons why Blockbuster is no longer here is because they refuse to actually stay up with the trends of technology. So I'm going to give you some for the cleaning industry and make sure that you pick a couple that you like and implement them in your business like right now. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to go into that. So stay tuned if you're interested in things you can do that's going to actually really work when it comes to technology. Number one, QR scans. QR scans are great. You can put them on your business cards. They scan them. They take you right to the website, or you can have it where they scan and they, show your prices. You can choose it any way that you want to set it up, and they're absolutely free. You can do a QR scan on canva.com or so many other avenues. So that's canva.com. The other thing you want to actually look at is when you have your hashtag. Using your hashtag, when you're doing social media, or if you are doing like a newsletter or something like that, make sure you do your hashtags all the time. And one of the things you want to make sure you put in there is your locality. So if you're in Seattle, put in Seattle, because remember, when I've talked about the number one way that cleaning customers find you, your commercial cleaning business, is through putting in Google, small cleaning businesses near me. That's it. It's not complicated. If you have a lot of advertising that brings people to your website based on those search parameters, you're going to come up time and time again. So get busy using those social media hashtags when you are talking about your location. The other thing is UV lights, and that's a big one. Another technology trend is software, really big, using all kind of software for invoicing to making sure that you keep up with your consumer needs, what your customers are looking for. Definitely your employees is like a GPS. You can track them. They may not like it, but I know we love it now because I know that was a challenge. You don't know where they are. This helps you keep up with if something is running out and just all kinds of things that the software does. Another thing you can use and works real well is like the surface coating, the surface coating that you can spray, and I think it's called the antimicrobial bio surface coating, and it's really good because it stays on a surface for sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours. So definitely look into these trends. I love it. If you want to learn more, then make sure you do one thing. Actually, people say, where should I start? You can start right here. Start by signing up for my free masterclass. I do government and I do commercial because I was able to scale several businesses to well over 6 figures by doing just that, using commercial and government cleaning contracts. So if you'd like to know more, click in the description below and you can attend one of my free masterclasses where I go into meeting the basic requirements for the government. And I talk about how to actually market to the government buyers and what do you need to do to find a government contract. And under commercial, I tell you the 3 things I love talking about, which is how to attract your favorite customer, not just anyone, but your favorite one, what you need to do to acquire that contract. How do you actually get them to can't wait to have you sign it? And the third thing is how to keep them. So if you'd like to know more, space is limited. Make sure you click the link below. I'd love to see you there. So until the next video, make sure you stay safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.